All right, today we are back at DR Horton and we're back at Creekside Estates. And these are the homes that are longer in width than they are wide. So we're going to see a different floor plan today. This is the Alec model here that we're going to go take a look at. We got Eric inside who's going to take us on a tour. This is a decorated model. It'll show you, what the floor plan looks like, and you can see they built about 5 or 6 of these, and they have about 4 or 5 left that are going to be built that are not framed out or anything yet, so you can still pick your final options and things like that. So let's go in and see what we got here, and we'll take a quick peek here and see the flow. It's kind of a unique floor plan, but it really does have a lot of amazing features for today. So, all right, there's Eric over there, and we're coming in through the front door. We got the steps kind of go up on an angle up to the top, which will go up in a little bit. And then here's Eric from DR Horton.
How are you, Mike?
So I'm good, man. I'm good. So we're just showing off this floor plan of the Alec today. Just kind of showing how unique it is. It's very open. You got your dining area here, living area over here, goes into your kitchen, and then we have a full bath here. And on the first level of this one, you have a first floor bedroom, which is nice if you have guests or out of town people. So your first floor bedroom, and you could use this as an office if you wanted to, could use it as an office. But this one has a pretty big size bed in here, and you can fit a lot of stuff. And they're 9-foot ceilings on this level, which makes it feel a little bigger too. And then overall square foot, what would you say this house is?
So we're 2518 above grade,
Okay.
And another 660 in the basement. All will be finished, all 3 levels, with the basement having a full bedroom, full bathroom, rec room, and storage as well.
Oh, okay,
so
great.
Finished space, you're about 32 to 3,300.
32, 33 with including basement.
That's right.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Yeah. So, and then in terms of price point, where are these priced at?
So for the Alec floor plan, we're right around the 620,000.
Okay.
We do have one that's a little bit bigger, the J to 4 level, that's around 650. But this is the best bang for your buck. It has the largest main floor bedroom. We're getting a lot of multi-generational families that are coming to, somebody's a little older that don't want to navigate stairs. Is perfect for them.
Right.
Privacy in the basement with a bedroom where you can use that as an office, and then all the bedrooms upstairs, as we'll see, have their own ensuite bathroom and walk-in closets.
Great. And this has a little patio out here with a. I guess they got steps, but they still got the railing up. So, but here's your kitchen. This is a really nice kitchen, and you'll probably come in this way through the garage, which we're going to hit that at the end. But you have your pantry. And then you have a nice big island here, nice big kitchen here, cabinets. Still got the same choices as you got with the other homes.
Yeah, so you'll either have white, gray, or the dark maple, as you see. They'll all come with the countertops will all be quartz. You got LVP flooring. The backsplash is all included. All kitchen appliances included. It's a gas stove always, which is really nice. Don't have to do any kind of upgrades. In fact, there are no upgrades. Everything, what you see is what you get, other than in the model having some, textured walls and model decoration type things.
That's great. This kind of gives you an idea of the floor plan here, how open it is down here. And then this is a 4-bedroom.
This is a 5-bedroom if you
5-bedroom if you include the basement.
That's
gotcha.
Right. Yep.
All right, so we're going to go upstairs now and take a peek and see what the floor plan looks like up there. And then are these 2 pantries?
So this is a pantry. The other one is a coat closet, since most people come in through the garage.
That makes sense.
But you could use it as a pantry.
Yeah, that makes sense. Coat closet because it's right by the door.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. All right. Well, let's take a look upstairs.
You'll always get the oak tread stairs and all the floor plans as well, which is a really nice touch.
Yeah, they really do look nice. They definitely look nice. Sometimes they put those runners on them. Not a big fan of that.
No, same.
It's like you do nice stairs and then you put carpet over top, you know?
Exactly.
All right, so we got one bedroom here in the front, and this has its own full bath, which is awesome. So it's got its own full bath, shower, tub, everything, and then you got your walk-in closet, and you got your pretty big size vanity here too. In here, then we'll go through this way, and there's your two-story foyer, kind of, you know. Got a linen closet, and then a long hallway down this way leads to
laundry room.
Yep, third level laundry. Third level laundry, got your hookups, nice shelf there, and it's a pretty big room as well. Got another bedroom over here, which is the second bedroom upstairs. And then this also has its own full bath and walk-in closet. You know, this is a great floor plan, I tell you, especially if you have maybe two kids that are a little older and they can each have their own bathroom.
Yeah, you got privacy,
you know,
which is really nice as they get to
perfect.
be in, preteen and teenage years.
Teenage years.
Yep, absolutely.
It's like exactly where my kids are right now.
Yeah.
My daughter's the one that gets the bathroom. My son's got a buddy bath. He's got a split, with another bedroom. But wow, look at this. Here's your shower in the master suite. Nice towel, all seamless glass. Huge shower.
Yeah, we had the hotel spa type shower.
Yeah,
which is really nice.
Huge shower. Yeah, look at this. This is big. I like this. Yeah, man. And then you got your double vanity here.
And they'll carry the quartz throughout all the bathrooms, which is a nice touch.
Okay, that is nice. You got your walk-in closet in the bathroom. Again, I'm seeing this more and more in new homes. It's a really nice feature because, if you're getting ready in the morning and it's early and your spouse doesn't have to get up,
right?
You can go in the bathroom and kind of get everything done. And when you have a bathroom this big, you can easily get ready in it, So
yeah, and we do have a spare closet here.
Another closet too. Wow.
I guess that would be the his versus the hers.
Yeah, right. So still walk-in though.
Yeah, absolutely.
Still big enough to be a walk-in. And then a huge bedroom here.
Yeah, so king size bed. Still have room for sitting area. You got nightstands. It's not squashed. Huge dressers there. So you're really not sacrificing at all here.
Yeah, it looks like it. I was going to say it's double dressers because
that's right.
That's a lot of dressers right there. Wow.
And tons of light coming through, which is really nice.
Yeah, a lot of windows. And the good thing with the new home is everything's new. You get new windows, you get new roof, you get new HVAC, new hot water heater, everything you don't have to do for like 15 to 20 years. It's all brand new. All right, so we're going to head down the basement. We're going to pause it real quick. All right, so we're headed down the basement now. So we're going to take a look and see what's down here. Well, that's interesting art. Looks like just a bunch of sheetrock that wasn't done. I don't know what they were going for there.
Right?
Yeah, right. Another piece like that, huh? Maybe they're onto something. All right, so this is a big rec room down here that you got in the basement. They got an entertaining area. They got a game table area, craft area, sewing table area, whatever you want to call it, office area. And then we got a storage room in here. Storage room, there's your gas shutoffs, and then your network, your electric panel box, and you got a lot of space in here, which is
Yeah,
good.
you could do a lot and even finish it because they've cut out for the HVAC already. So running some drywall and having a little bit of extra finished space. We have a lot of people that want it like as a workout room or
Right,
something
like a
like that.
gym, like a home
Exactly.
gym,
Yeah,
right?
this gives a lot of options to do that and still have your utilities on the other side.
Right. Yeah, you can absolutely. All right. Well, that's great. And then what else we got? We got another. Oh, here's another bedroom.
Yeah.
So, and the window is an egress. So you can definitely call this a bedroom. So this is 5, yeah. Because you got the one on the main, you got the one down here, and you got another bathroom. I mean, how many bathrooms I got
5
in this
bedrooms,
house?
5 bedrooms.
Five
Right,
bedrooms,
isn't it?
5 bathrooms. Man, that is normally you don't see 5 bathrooms unless the house is like 8,000 square feet. You know,
Exactly.
this is crazy. It's good though because you could have this is like a multi-generational family house
Absolutely.
where you got the parents, the in-laws living with you, or they come up here every once in a while for
Yep.
extended period of time.
Absolutely.
Want to visit the grandkids,
Yep.
and then you have the older kids that want their own bedrooms, their own
For sure.
bathrooms, and
Just
you
checks
know,
a lot of boxes.
it really does.
know.
Like, and I tell you, I mean, I've been through a lot of different like models around here, and none of them really kind of have what this house offers.
Yeah, I mean,
They don't have private bathrooms in all the bedrooms.
exactly, and that's such a big thing for families these days, as we were talking about earlier, just with the kids getting older and such.
Yeah.
My kids are getting older as well, duking it out in the bathrooms.
Yep.
One's taking too long. It just fixes a lot of those issues that you might have. Even with like grandmom staying with you or whatever, or people staying for months at a time. We're getting a lot of multicultural, multi-generational. So it really does check a lot of boxes. Kind of a couple of cool little things that we do that other builders might do as upgrades. So the basement, the main floor, and the primary, we already automatically brace the wall for mounting TV. We run your coax, plug up top, plug down bottom.
Oh, great.
So, you don't have to mess with that.
Something you don't have to do later, get an electrician in.
That's
here.
right.
Yeah.
Blinds in all the windows except for the slider. So that's a really,
it's a big expense.
It's a big
expense. Something that people don't think about when they buy a new home. And then they have 55 windows and they're like, why am I spending $20,000 on blinds?
Right. Or even if you're the do-it-yourselfer, like that's frustrating hanging that many blinds, right?
It is.
And then the one last thing that I kind of really like is that all DR Horton houses now have this new deco system with lighting. So the great thing, you got kids, you can pull this tab. Sorry. You can't shock yourself. These are plug and play lights from Deco. You can get them on Amazon. You can swap them out with
oh wow,
a dimmer with a smart switch, motion detector. That way if you got a teenager down here, and you're worried about them peeking out the the window, you can have all the motion detectors, everything run, and it's done through an app. So all that, and we have a smart home system. All of it is free, comes included with the house. You can get a smart home app through alarm.com. It's free for 3 years.
Oh wow!
And then if they want to pick it up after that, it's like maybe $19, $19.99. Yeah. So yeah, a lot of like little extras that you don't think about, but they're really nice to have that you don't have to pay for in advance.
And what about any other incentives or anything you guys have right now in the community for financing, for closing cost help, for anything like that?
Yeah, absolutely. So for inventory homes that can close before the end of March right now, if you use DHI Mortgage, which is our in-house lender, we have 5.5% on a 30-year fixed, no points for FHA or VA, and 5.99 for conventional. In addition to that, we're also giving $15,000 towards closing.
Wow!
And then if you're a first responder or anything in police, what have you, educator, an extra $1,000 towards closing for that as well.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so 16 grand really covers a lot. In new construction, we don't split the transfers, so that offsets some of it.
Right.
But it really brings down your cash to close in most occasions, unless you're doing like a conventional where we're kind of capped on that.
Right.
But FHA, you're getting in almost $700,000 house with very little money out of pocket.
And then for agents that are checking the video out too, what are you guys doing for real estate agents?
So we're doing 2% on the total of any of
total price.
Total price. So we're in this community. We're at 6.25, 625 for the lowest, up to 785 at the highest, and they're all going to be 2% of the total regardless.
Right. Well, that's good because There's a lot of builders around here trying to get away with that flat fee.
Yeah, we'll
You know,
never do that.
that slap in the face kind of
We
thing.
love realtors.
Yeah.
We invite them all to come out. We'll always take care of them. We really want to forge that that bond, and we realize how hard you guys work to bring people through the door, and we want to reward you for it.
Great, great. All right, we're going to go take a quick look at the garage and show the back of the house just because it's so unique, and then we'll wrap the video up from there. All right, so this is the garage. We're coming out of the kitchen now into the garage, and it's a pretty nice size 2-car garage in here. A lot of space in the driveway. You can kind of see how these lots are laid out because it's a rear entry garage. So there's going to be a road, an access road that goes all the way down this way, and you can kind of see where they're going to be putting in about four more of these houses.
And it runs parallel to Campbell, and we'll have another exit entrance into the community at the far end.
Okay, great.
Down by Bird River.
Great. So it's going to have another access point too.
And then we show a lot of people worry about yard space, so we decided just to fence in. And this is actually smaller than we could have gone all the way out, and we could have gone forward towards the front of the house by another 12 feet per Baltimore County.
Right.
Just to show, like, if you got like a dog and you just want to, you're worried about having a rear load garage, you still have plenty of yard space. In fact, this one's smaller because of all the boxes. It would normally be even bigger than this.
And the other thing is, people are all concerned about the lot and the size of the yard, but you don't live in the yard. You live in the house. I'd rather have 5 bathrooms where all my kids have their own bathroom.
That's right.
And I'd have less grass to cut.
Yeah.
Because I'm not cutting it. I'm paying somebody to do
it. Agreed.
So, in this price point, you might be paying somebody to cut your grass. And it's going to be less of a charge for you to have to pay somebody.
And we do have the playground on the other side.
Yeah, playground down the street.
It's close enough.
I think they're doing a park or something around here somewhere, too. I can't get confirmation on that. But I saw that in the initial plans when they were extending Campbell.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be some kind of turf field or something going in somewhere.
So on the other side of the playground is a big turf field that's about 3 times the size of the playground with a walking trail.
Okay, so kind of like Honey Go, but down here.
Exactly.
So it's going to be its own little Honey Go down here.
And run by the county, so it'll always be maintained, which is really nice.
Right. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah. So and then with the new construction and the 2-car garage, we're also automatically now putting in EV charge plugs in there.
Oh,
which
great.
is really nice. A lot of people are going that route. I know I did, and it's such a convenience. I had to run it myself, which was a pain, but just an extra little thing, again, that just adds up.
Don't think about, right.
Exactly.
And the access here is it's so convenient to get the 95. So many people have to fight traffic on Bel Air Road in the morning just to get to 95. Here you just dip right down Campbell to 43 and you're right there.
Yeah. 2.2 miles if you take 43, or you can go 40 if that's backed, if 95 is backed up, Fridays or what have you. You got Pulaski Highway.
You can take the other one too. And they got a bunch of restaurants that are open now.
Yeah.
Michael's Cafe and a bunch of other restaurants that are open down this way too. So you kind of don't really have to go too far to get everything you need. The only thing I haven't seen is a grocery store.
So just from my knowledge through the grapevine, I'll say it's illegal right now. So the Greenlee grocery pad, they haven't confirmed who it is. I know we a bunch of people that live in Middle River, myself included, signed a petition in late 2023 for Trader Joe's to come.
Oh, that'd be cool.
So it'd be great if that was them. It's not confirmed one way or the other, but they said that it is now, it's not just hearsay. There's a grocery store that is illegal, and then they'll disclose that to the public once it's signed. So that's coming. I would say probably within the next 12 months, if I guess.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's so much to be excited about down here because they're just, it's just building everywhere. It's just constant building homes, and they got nice home site sizes here. These are the other homes in the community, different floor plans. And they're on like 1/4-acre lots almost. So, you can see it's a nice cul-de-sac up there. And they got plenty more they're going to be building. So come on out, take a look. If you want to come, you see these things in person, give me a call, send me a text. I'll put you in touch with Eric. He can help you out and help you buy whatever you want to buy down here. So thanks for taking time to watch this video and have a great day.
Thanks.